but only one language can understand all the languages, that is a smile. आप लोग सब ऐसा मुंह टेढ़ा करके बैठा है. Why is it? You should enjoy. It is a festival. Enjoy. Wear a smile. You are our future. Why we are here? It's because we wanted to ignite you. We wanted to inspire you, and we want you to make change, make things happen, positive things happen in this country, great country called Bharat. You are going to be nation builders. That is why I think the very purpose is to make India a better place, great country, a superpower in all respects. So I start with small. सबको हंसाना है, सब तो मुंह टेढ़ा करके बैठा है. तो एक कहानी बताता हूँ. I am very much interested in education. Nobody wants to hold the portfolio of education, but I opted, with the grace of all my supporters. एजुकेशन बोलता है ये महासागर है, महासागर है, सागर है, महासागर, महासागर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, समस्या का महासागर. एंड इन मणिपुर almost 99% of the ministers who were holding the portfolio of education never comes back in the next election. And I never know whether I'll come back again or not. Anyway, Swami, first of all, I salute all the great scientists of the world, and particularly the Indian scientists who have made our lives better, and also who have made our country better, and who have made the world a better place. I salute to them. स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने एक बात बोला था कि our lives become more meaningful when we realize the fact that every moment is not going to, the same moment is not going to come back twice. जिंदगी में जैसा मुझे बोला जाए कि you can start rewind your life again, I think I can do wonders, but it's not going to happen. जो आज आप लोग यहाँ हैं दोबारा नहीं आएगा, कल जो होगा वो भी नहीं आएगा. So every moment is very important. Please utilize it, enjoy it, play it, sing it, learn it, study it, and you enjoy it. Every moment. And this moment is very important. जो अरुणाचल से आए, असम से आए, मणिपुर से आए, नागालैंड, सिक्किम, त्रिपुरा, जितना हमारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट के जितना लोग आए हैं, you see, you are our future. But फ्यूचर ये बोल के आप मुंह टेढ़ा करके बैठने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. आप हंसिए, एंजॉय कीजिए, लर्न कीजिए, एंड लेट अस मेक दिस वर्ल्ड बेटर प्लेस. सबको हंसाने के लिए एक छोटा सा किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. एक स्कूल में क्लास 5 तक का है, प्राइमरी स्कूल में, एक टीचर ने मैथ्स का एक क्लास ले रहा था. तो एक स्टूडेंट को पूछा कि देखो डेविड, आपका बैग में मैंने 2 एप्पल डाला, 2 और एप्पल डाला, तो आपका बैग में कितना एप्पल होगा? How many apples you will have if I put 2 apples and another 2 apples? How many apples are there in your bag? David says, sir, 5 apples. How? I have put 2 and 2. How can it be 5? If I take out 2 apples, how many apples will be there in your bag? 3 apples, sir. Okay. If I put 2 mangoes, 2 मैंगो डाला आपका बैग में, 2 और डाला तो कितना मैंगो होगा? डेविड बोला 4 सर. 2 निकालने से 2. अच्छा, तो टीचर ने क्या किया, दूसरा स्टूडेंट को पूछा, नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट बोला सर उनका जवाब गलत है. 2 एप्पल डालेगा, 2 और डालेगा, 4 ही रहेगा. 2 निकालेगा, 2 रहेगा. एप्पल हो, आम हो, जो भी हो, 4 ही रहेगा. तो क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? तो उसको गाली दे दिया. Then class was over. The teacher was not very happy. इतना पढ़ाने के बाद में भी ये समझ में नहीं आता, आसान सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे पाता है. It's not so. He called Mr. David and asked why you gave wrong answer. तो डेविड ने बोला, सर आप तो सुनते नहीं है, हमको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए टाइम देता नहीं है. हमारा बैग में मम्मी ने ऑलरेडी 1 एप्पल डाला था. तो आप So all the teachers, the parents, we don't allow the students, our children to explain. We don't listen. We only expect what we want. वो नहीं होता है. That is how we spoil our children. We are making them pressure cookers. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. The teachers, the parents, the first school is the family. The first primary most school is family, and the first teacher is the parents.
My political journey is already to started. I will elected in the 1995 as a Congress party.
Yes, sir.
And I was to the minister under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, led by Shri W. Nipamasa as a education minister. And after 2000s, I was against to the elected in the 17 Lapsang Assembly constituency, and also I was against the agriculture minister under the leadership of the W. Nipamasa. And after 2000s, once I think I was to the sport minister under the leadership of the Radha Vinod Koicham. Now, and after I was against to the elected in 2017 11 assembly constituency, 11 assembly election in the elected in the 17 Lamsang AC, and once again I was a minister for education, Kada and the fishery under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Shri N. Biren Singh.
सर, एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट में आपने काफ़ी अच्छा काम किया, पॉलिसी आपने कुछ अच्छी बनाई है. अभी सर कुछ अगर उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताना चाहें कि कैसे क्या कुछ, जैसे कि स्टूडेंट कहते हैं एजुकेशन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, तो उसके लिए कुछ विशेष तैयारी चल रही होगी सरकार में, क्योंकि कोरोना की वजह से काफ़ी कुछ एजुकेशन का नुकसान हुआ है, तो उसका बैकअप करने के लिए कैसे कुछ प्रोसेस चल रहा है आप लोगों का?
Okay, education is the very most important departments in the state. The education department is already to the put up, and the next generation will make is a good future. The state is the education is the most important part. So our education department is already to defunct. The students are not to enrollment in the government school last in the 15 year in the Congress government time in Manipur, and after our government Honorable Chief Minister N. Biren Singh will take the decision for the school Phagalanji mission 2019. They are already to some less school building are already constructed, and the newly to major repairing and renovations of the all the school Phagalanji mission is the buildings, and so many we have to change the infrastructure is newly for dual decks, and the blackboard is changed to the whiteboard to use for the marker. So many changes in the school Phagalanji mission. So after the guardian of the Manipur and the students are believed to the government school, and so many increase to the enrollments. I think 70% or 50% to 70% are increased in the enrollment stage of the government school, and we are already to conduct the class in the time of COVID is a online class, and our government and under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister is to one missions for the online class. Help for Honorable Chief Minister is the all the governments college students under the below poverty lines students are already to provide the smartphone.
Thank you.
Already.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you.
आप देख रहे थे शिक्षा मंत्री जी को, जिनका साफ साफ कहना है कि पहले की अपेक्षा काफी कुछ परिवर्तित हुआ है, अगला जो कार्यकाल रहेगा उसमें बहुत कुछ अच्छा और किया जा सकता है. इम्फाल से आकाश शुक्ला की रिपोर्ट.